morning everyone, I am Santosh Kasab and you are learning English grammar. In the series of grammar we are learning singular and plural. How can you form singular, plural from singular? Let us see. The next rule is certain collective nouns are always used in plural. कुछ ऐसी बहुवचन संज्ञाएं प्लूरल में ही प्रयोग की जाती हैं. देयर इज नो सिंगुलर फॉर देम, इवन दे आर कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. ये सभी कलेक्टिव नाउन्स होती हैं. आइए देखते हैं कैसे प्लूरल्स हैं. देयर इज नो सिंगुलर ऑफ देम. पोल्ट्री, पोल्ट्री इज द कलेक्टिव नाउन फॉर हेन्स. द कल्चर ऑफ हेन्स, एग्रीकल्चर ऑफ हेन फॉर्म. एंड वी कैन यूज पोल्ट्री. Those poultry are mine. Those poultry are mine. Because poultry is used only in plural, we cannot write poultry. That poultry, we can write that here, is mine. This will be wrong sentence because poultry is always used in plural. The next word, cattle. Cattle. The cattle had destroyed my crops. The cattle have destroyed my crops. We cannot write them in this way. The cattle has destroys my crops. Because this word is always used in plural and there is no singular for it, even it is collective noun. The word also vermin. Vermin are the insects that destroys crops or any wealth which is kept in house. People, if you talk about people, people is collective noun and there is no singular for it, as we cannot say people have come. Correct sentence. People has come. Incorrect sentence because these words is always used in plural. We saw that some words, the same as gentry, the group of noble people. Gentry is the group of noble people. We cannot write it in singular. It is only in plural. These words are always used in plural. I think you are getting enjoyment from my class and be with me till last and enjoy my study and increase your knowledge. May you get success soon. I think my class will be beneficial. If you are liking my class, like, press the like button or dislike button, and if you like, share it, subscribe it, enjoy it, and press the bell icon for notification. The further rule I want to tell you that compound noun, some compound nouns, are made plural. Some compound nouns are made plural by adding s to the principal word. Some compound nouns are made plural with adding s to the principal words. जो मुख्य शब्द होता है उसी में हम लोग जोड़ करके बनाते हैं. आइए देखते हैं. सिंगुलर यहां लिखेंगे सिंगुलर. Here we write plural. Plural. In this way, I want to write commander in chief. commander-in-chief, main general of an army is called commander-in-chief. The plural of this word may be commanders. Commanders in chief, because commanders word here has been used as principal word, main word. So we will put as to the principal word, as there is rule. Making a formation of compound nouns are made plural by adding as to the main words. Coat of mail. Coat of mail. Coat of mail is a kind of shield, that is shield of an army person. Here the plural of coat of mail will be coats of mail. Coat of mail, because compound word, three words have been used in this word. Son-in-law, the same word, son-in-law. The principal word is son, so that sons in law will be correct. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. The same way, the principal word is daughter, so we can make plural daughters-in-law. Here we are learning formation of plural. How can we make plural? By adding s to the principal word. Some words more. Stepson. Stepson. Here two word and the compound word son. Son is a principal word here. So we can make plural by adding as to the son. Stepsons. In this way same. Stepdaughter. Stepdaughter. The plural of stepdaughter will be step and daughters, because daughters will be plural, principal word here. The main thing here, maid, servant. Maid servant. What will be the plural of maid servant? That is the maid servants. Here, maid servants. Main word, head word, we can say principal word. We can put as to the principal word. Some more words I want to write here before finishing this class. Passer-by. 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 A traveler who travels and passes something, somewhere. That is passers-by. The plural will be passers-by. Passers-by. One who, a traveler. Go someone. Man of war. Man of war. It means very fighter. Combator will be man of war. The plural will be men of war here. Men of war. Jodha. Looker on. Lookers on. Lookers on. It means spectators. One who watches something, some show, some spectacles. That is maybe lookers on. In this way, I think you have enjoyed your study more, and we are learning grammar with the Santosh Kashyap. Enjoy so much this holiday, this class. With these words, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.